Okay, I came out here just to smoke a joint, not really work on the car, but I got into it. The back two bolts on the Kmember came out so easy, and the other side came loose, so I'm gonna drop the Kmember myself. I was gonna wait for my buddy tomorrow, but screw it. I got it rigged up. Let's see what happens. Okay, got the spindles off. I've just, oh crap. I got her soaking up with deep creep. I'm gonna get back onto it so I can move the steering rack off and hang it on the sway bar. And then I can either drop the Kmember with the A-arms on, but I might remove them just to, so it's not as awkward for me. Anywho, carry on. Alright, a little more progress. The arms are out. Power steering rack is out and secured to the sway bar. And the other side is ditto, so just gotta drop the Kmember. But I'm not gonna try that myself, so I can either wait for Yolanda or call my buddy Brad or somebody, but yeah, I think I want another person here to help me with that. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, I came out here just to smoke a joint, not really work on the car, but I got into it. The back two bolts on the Kmember came out so easy, and the other side came loose, so I'm gonna drop the Kmember myself. I was gonna wait for my buddy tomorrow, but screw it. I got it rigged up. Let's see what happens. Holding it up. Yep. Good job, boys. Good job. All right, she's out. Kmember is out. All right, so that's the one that's going in with those spindles and those struts. But this is going to be an opportunity for me to get under there and clean this up a little bit. Since I got it all opened up, might as well clean up all whatever oil and whatnot. A little cleanup job while I'm under here. Oh man. Clean up the rail a bit, maybe paint her up. Yeah. Right on. I'm happy. Okay guys, so I'll end this one there. Kmember is out, so that's good. You can clean it up. Then down the road I'll clean up all the parts that I'm not going to use, and maybe I'll put them up for sale. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll keep them for spares. Who knows? I want to test out the equipment first before I sell the stuff because I don't want to be searching for parts if things don't go my way. But anyways, that's way down the road. So, all right, I'm going to call it a night, clean that up a little bit, and then go watch the hockey game. Go Leafs, go!